Dispatch, North Huron Car 1.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, can you base the Wingham station to 222 Carly Terrace? Caller called my cell phone reporting she plugged her vacuum in, and now there's black soot coming out from around the electrical outlet.
That's Roger, Wingham. Attention, North Huron Fire Wingham Station, please respond. 222 Carling Terrace. Reports of black soot around an electrical outlet from plugging a vacuum in. 222 Carling Terrace, time first page 11:51:23. Attention, North Huron Wingham Station, please respond. 222 Carling Terrace. Report of black soot around an electrical outlet from plugging a vacuum in. That's 222 Carling Terrace, cross streets Victoria Street East and John Street East. Tow second page 11:52:07, Wingham Station. Please respond.
Fire Dispatch, Car 3.
Go ahead.
Car 3 acknowledges the page out for Wingham Station.
Roger, cross street acknowledged page 11:52:37.
Fire Dispatch, North Huron, Engine 1.
Go ahead.
You can show Engine 1 responding to Carling Terrace, Bravo plus 5 belts.
Roger, Engine 1 responding, Bravo plus 5 belts at 11:55:58.
Engine 1, Car 3.
Go ahead, Car 3, Engine 1.
Engine 1, if you have it, you can downgrade to a Code 1 response.
Yeah, we've been Code 1 the whole way. Thank you. Fire Dispatch, North Huron, Engine 1. Fire Dispatch, North Huron, Engine 1.
Go ahead. Engine 1, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show Engine 1 on scene. We do have a 2-story duplex. Nothing's showing. We'll be sending a crew to investigate, and 360 in progress.
Roger, Engine 1 on scene, 2-story duplex, nothing showing, sending a crew in to investigate and doing a 360, 12 o'clock.
You can show Bravo and Command and Mobile.
Roger, Bravo and Command and Mobile, 12:01:02.
Fire Dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead.
360 structure complete. We have nothing showing. We have a crew of 3 entering the building to investigate.
Roger, 360 complete, nothing showing. 3 firefighters entering to investigate. 12:03:36.
Go ahead, Entry 1. Yeah, roger that. Maybe you can find your way to the electrical panel and put a tick on it as well. Entry 1, and you call command.
Yeah, you want to do a face-to-face with the door?
On my way. Fire Dispatch, North Huron Command.
Command, if you were calling dispatch, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show we did a search of the whole house. We have 0 ratings on our tick and our multigas. I believe that this is an isolated incident to the vacuum cleaner that was plugged in. We're just going to do a final walkthrough and we'll be clearing shortly.
Roger that. You've done a search of the entire house, so your readings on both machines. You believe it's an isolated incident to the vacuum cleaner. You're just going to do one more walkthrough of the house, 12:11:57.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show property owner has been advised to get a hold of electrician. Command is terminated. Scene is being left with homeowner. All units return into Wingham Station.
Roger, property owner advised to contact an electrician. Command terminated. All units returning to station. 122614.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1.
Go ahead.
You can show Engine 1 back at hall, back in service. Could you clear off this call, please? And have a good day.
Will do. Thank you. You as well.